Namaste, I am Dr. Debjyoti from Kolkata. So today I came to visit the Pain Free Odisha initiative at the Village Health Hospital Bhubaneswar. So those who are already know what pain management is, but I know a good number of people still don't have an idea about what pain management is. So basically in pain management, the doctors do small procedures. These are not big surgeries, but they are the minimally invasive interventions by which the pain can be stopped or can be controlled for a long period of time. So one of the biggest advantages, you are getting rid of the drugs which have potential side effects. And here in Odisha, Dr. Shovan Rath, he's my friend, my brother, and he is doing this pain practice for quite a long. And this is probably the dedicated pain center which is in Odisha and definitely first of its kind. So here a good number of patients are getting benefited from the chronic pain which the patient is suffering for the years. So what we do exactly, there are a lot of techniques. To be speaking precisely, there are interventions like different nerve blocks. There are interventions by which we can actually treat these patients and for a long duration, like a radio frequency ablation, which can block the nerve or the pain for a long duration of time. And recently, they have also started the pain management training. They are the monthly training for the doctors who want to learn pain management here at the Odisha. So I think you understood what pain management is, and definitely I would like to suggest everyone, to the patients, those who are aware of this subject, they should get benefit from this initiative. Village Hospital has started the Fellowship in Pain Management course, which is actually a small weekend workshop where actually the candidates who are coming, the doctors, they can learn the tips and tricks of pain management, and this is a procedure which are actually learned by many of the anesthesiologists, and they can improve their skills in these procedures, and ultimately they can improve their practice a lot.